Hey there, money-minded friend. Ever looked at your spare change and thought, wouldn't it be cool if this could magically grow into something more? Well, that's exactly the promise of apps like Acorns. But here's the burning question. Can you feed your acorn with PayPal Acorns? Let's get real for a second. We live in a world where convenience is king. PayPal is our go-to for online shopping, sending money to friends, and even paying bills. So, it's natural to wonder if it plays nice with investment apps like Acorns. Now, you might be thinking, just check the websites, dude. And you're absolutely right. But let's be honest, sometimes the world of finance can feel like trying to decipher hieroglyphics. Plus, there's always the chance of things changing. So, let's break it down together, shall we? Acorns and PayPal, a match made in money heaven? Once upon a time, Acorns and PayPal were like peanut butter and jelly. They were inseparable. You could link your PayPal account to Acorns, and voila! Your spare change was automatically invested. It was a beautiful, symbiotic relationship. But as with all good things, this love affair eventually cooled off. Acorns decided to go its own way, focusing on building its own financial ecosystem. So, as of now, you can't directly link your PayPal account to Acorns to fund your investments. But don't lose hope. While the direct link might be gone, the dream of growing your money isn't dead. There are still ways to make Acorns and PayPal work together. Transferring funds. You can't send money instantly from PayPal to Acorns, but you can transfer funds from your PayPal balance to your bank account, and then link that bank account to Acorns. It's a few extra steps, but it gets the job done. Acorns checking account. If you're an Acorns member, you might have access to an Acorns checking account. You can transfer money from your PayPal balance to your checking account, and then use it to fund your investments. Earn and invest. Acorns has a feature called Earn that allows you to earn cashback on purchases. This cashback can be automatically invested into your Acorns portfolio. While it's not directly PayPal, it's a way to indirectly grow your investments using money you'd spend anyway. So, what's the verdict? Acorns and PayPal are no longer the perfect pair they once were. But that doesn't mean you can't make them work together. With a little creativity and planning, you can still use both platforms to reach your financial goals. Just remember, investing involves risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Always do your own research and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Happy investing!